Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be fixing up a section of my yard I call Beaumont-sur-Mer. Over the winter, it's gotten pretty overgrown because we haven't been outside that much. We live on the Oregon coast, and so let me tell you, you don't want to go outside when it's wet. Today, we're going to be cleaning that up so that we can enjoy that part of our yard again. So from the fountain, we go up these steps, through this gate, past this blackberry bush, which needs to be trimmed, to all of this overgrowth. Oh my goodness, it's a madhouse over here. There are flowers growing in the walkway. There's all of this that needs to be fixed up. Believe me, there is a rock border under there. We're gonna get to that. We've got blackberry bushes growing in the pathway leading to our little bistro set there. We do have some grapes who desperately want to grow. We're gonna have to weed out all of these plants. We also have some plants growing up through the cracks, and this is just overgrown. So we're gonna fix this all up. It's gonna look really cute. So I think I should mention the name of my house is Storybook Manor, and every little section of my yard has its own name because there are all these little garden rooms, I guess that's what you would call them, little tiny cubbies of places that look completely different than the other places. So this section is called Beaumont-sur-Mer, and the reason is I'm a huge Dirty Rotten Scoundrels fan. I love that movie. It's probably one of my favorite movies ever, and the movie takes place in the fictional town of Beaumont-sur-Mer, which is located in France. If you remember the movie, if you haven't seen it, you need to see it first of all. But if you have seen the movie and you remember that a lot of it takes place overlooking the ocean on this beautiful, beautiful estate that Michael Caine's character owns. And this little section kind of in some small way reminded me of that because it overlooks the yard. So, Beaumont-sur-Mer. But right now it looks like it needs help. We gotta fix it. So that's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna clean it up and make it look as beautiful as its name. Haha. One plant down. I think we're doing good so far. Ugh. I gotta take this. Ah! Crap. Oh, buddy. First thing we're gonna do is weed whack all of these big things, and then we'll start doing some fine details. Unfortunately, I had to trim some of my beautiful roadies in order to make this pathway actually walkable without hitting our heads. Even?
I think you need to trim it back more.
Really? Like to the rock?
Yeah, to the rock, or else it's just going to make it very awkward. And remember, it will bush out again, just like we did with the camellia, and we thought it was going to be that bald spot forever. What do you think?
It's looking better.
It is looking way better. Like,
we just need this off.
We really do.
Is this too low?
Yeah.
It's bordering.
It really is. Hey, it made it actually go higher. Are you sure? It's
I know.
It's a monster.
It's a monster mash.
What's a monster mash?
I have a fuchsia growing up through the rocks here, and I'm of two minds. I don't know if I want to keep it there or not. Nah, I'm gonna take it out. But look at how that ivy's growing on that. I'm gonna keep that there. I really love this ivy. It takes a long time for this one to grow in particular. And also, look what I found. This is my grape. This area gets a whole lot of sun for half of the day. So now that I've taken all that other stuff away, it's gonna have room to grow. And I'm not done here yet, but I just wanted to show you the progress. Okay, so it's another day. We called it quits on the first day, and then it took me about a week to get back to this point to where I could work on the garden again. And at this rate, this garden's gonna be done sometime in 2050. So, I don't know. I'm just gonna continue on doing what I was doing, and hopefully we can really make this place sing. Okay, and here we are. It's not even close to perfect, and I understand that. And the thing is, oh my goodness, I have so much to do in this yard that sometimes we just have to accept good enough. I'm leaving that ivy there because I think it's pretty. I think it would be pretty if it went along there too. I think it would be really cute to put statues in here. Maybe a couple, I don't know. Or maybe clear it out and make it also a place that you can sit. But at least now I can sit in my little space and have coffee or tea. Look out at all the things I have to do in the rest of the yard. And here is the view from my dining room window. Little Beaumont-sur-Mer looks so much nicer now.